already grown up already. She's 4 years old now. And then here's what the kinetic sand looks like. Here's the front and here's the back. Here's the back. You can mix kinetic sand to make any color. And here's what the top and bottom and side and everything looks like. And then you can make lots of things with this kinetic sand. It has a sandcastle, sandcastle thing. I don't know how to say it. Sandcastle thing. See, and you can make a sandcastle. What are you waiting for, guys? Let's get started. Okay, bye. Whoa! That's nice. Yeah, we got some. Well, we got these. And we got some connected. So you can stack them. Yeah, and let that. What's in the question for, guys? Oh my God, I don't know what is this for. Yeah, maybe it's supposed to be good. It's clean. Smash it, maybe? Look at that extra. Oh my God, extra clean. That's so long, guys. Look, guys. Look at this. That's together, guys. Guys, look. We got some more. We got some stuff in this one. I'll show you all the stuff that we have in. Look at the pressure. Yeah, these are all some molds. Yeah, I mean knives. Look, guys, you can just put it here, maybe. It's for to put it here, maybe. Yeah. And what are you waiting for? Let's open our kinetic sand. Woo! Look at the color. Yeah. It's like, and I pick red and Lara pick blue. Oh my God. Look at that. Whoa, that is sand. Whoa, this one. Kind of looks like clay. Kind of looks like clay. Wow. It kind of looks like more. Okay, and I'm gonna try to smash mine. How do you do that? I guess. And then you should do this maybe. And you can cut this. You should cut it like this. Look, guys. And Lara's too. Look at her. Yeah. Nice. It's just like whoa! Hey, not too high. Guys, be careful not to mix it, guys. Yeah, be careful not to mix it. Yeah, if you can mix it. So soft, and when you do this, it's like oh guys. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna try to smash it. I'll try to put some. I'm just making a star. Then like this. Whoa! See that? Oh my God! Look, guys! So my sister's trying to put that little thing. Here, guys. Whoa, guys! Look, that is so amazing! I never know that kinetic sand can make that thing. Okay, we can even like a waterfall. Also we just like cotton candy, guys. And the most I'm gonna pick this mold. Put some in here. You can look, guys. This is how you do it. Smell like that. Ooh, I know. It's like you're in the beach. Okay, first this. Oh my God! Look it! I've never seen that. And smash it Guys, look. Don't ever eat this, guys. It's not food, guys. Yeah, you're right. It's not food. It's just sand. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. Well, it doesn't mix. Guys. Then, guys, look at. Oh, guys! I did it! Look at it, guys. Look at it. It's so cool! It's like a statue. I'm gonna smash it and make it. Guys, look! It looks like a chocolate, but don't eat it. Yeah, don't eat it. It's not food. Real food. Yeah, it's not real food. I'll just put it in the sand so it can't fall anywhere, and then I just fall it to the. Guys, you can also make things. Oh my god, it's so cool. So cool. Okay, Marcus. You can make something, guys. Oh my god, it's so low for the place. Oh guys, look at this. That is so funny. And then, up again. Guys, so cool. It's so funny. Oh, I got a poop, bro. Guys, this is so fun. You can buy this wherever store you want to buy it, in Amazon, Walmart, Target, and everywhere you want to buy Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand is so fun for your child, guys. Guys, look what this. She didn't cut it. Oh my god. Some of these fell. What? Careful, you're gonna. It look like the lady is look like so really angry. Anything he do like this. He do like that. Oh my god. Okay. And I'm gonna make something again. This one. Look, guys, watch this. I will make this. It look like snow. Rainbow snows. Look like. Yeah, look like rainbow snow falling. But don't eat it. It's not food. That's not food or sugar. That's not cooked with sugar. Yeah. It's made of a little bit of sugar, but don't eat it. Yeah. This is how milk. But don't snap or eat it. Snap. Snap like a path. Snap like a path. Snap like a path. That's so cool. Snap like a path. Wait. Oh, I'm gonna try this, guys. Oh, guys, I'll try to make it's so, yeah, it's so under. Oh my god, don't do that. Oh my god, please. Don't ever smell it. It's not ever don't eat it. It's not actually food, but not. They put a little bit of sugar over like that and candy. So you can slowly good. That is so satisfying. It's like my game, guys. I have a game like that. It's cutting. It's like you can cut kinetic sand, but it's not kinetic sand actually, but it's foam. I have a game like cutting kinetic sand like that. You can cut all the foam that you see. Okay, you want to smash it? That's so funny. I never did this one, so I'll do this one. She's like, how it come down? My turn. Look at whatever move. Oh my god, that is so satisfying. Like a cutting building. Oh, it's so fun. I don't have like this game. It looks like More guys. I'll make mine. Oh, I have blue there. Then I'm a giant, like, destroying buildings. Okay. Yeah! Destroy your tent, mister. And then oh my god, every little... But it looks like the water, but it's not melting. If I just put it, oh my god, over here. It's just making... Put it down, all of the people, they got me, And then I'm gonna smash mine and get put this in there, so I'll have my stuff. It looks like a poopy. Looks like poppy. Just adding a lot of kinetic sand. Oh my god, look guys! I found one of the kinetic sand. One of my team. Thank you for watching! Please subscribe our channel! See you again next time!